Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for November 13th, 2018. Today we're looking at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame in the live trade room, we've been studying the rising channel that this currency pair has been in. That's the double red trend lines that you see, the bottom red trend line, the bottom of the channel, top red trend line representing the top of that channel. As you can see, today we're right up towards the top of the channel, but mostly in the middle. If you were to put a line right down the middle between those red lines, you're right about where the middle of that channel is, into the green shaded area. Green shaded area just underneath the current market price is 1.3225 and 1.3205. So that's the green zone. So we're rising within the channel. We've recently come off it a few days ago, come off of the bottom of the channel and rising within the channel, breaking through what was resistance. This day here found resistance into the green shaded area and have broken through that as now going to be support now that we're above it. Next resistance level, the yellow shaded area, 1.3270, 1.3285. Why is that there? Look back to the left where the black or blue circle is. On the left hand side of the chart, you can see the spike high going there into that yellow shaded area as our next resistance high. Anything underneath there, the blue zone, 1.318060, is our next support. So it was able to get under the green zone, the blue zone. So we're rising within the channel. That gives us opportunities to buy in the direction of the trend, momentum, sentiment as the market continues to rise within this channel. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit here on the daily time frame and just get a deeper handle on that. Again, the idea here is we're rising within the channel. We're looking for reasons to buy. So we're looking for price action reasons to buy the currency pair. The idea here is once it gets above the green shaded area, which was resistance here, and even back here to the left, if you look on the left hand side of the chart, you see the resistance into the green zone there. Once it gets above it, we don't expect it to get underneath it again. And that goes for most of these levels. Once it gets above a level, you don't expect it to get back underneath it. The daily time frame here, we've seen yesterday close above here, today open. So that starts to increase our confidence that it's going to stay above. Not a guarantee, because it could literally turn back around and get back underneath. So the confidence is increased that it's going to stay above the green zone. Once yesterday closed, today open. Our confidence will increase even more if today closes above the green zone. So again, the strength of that zone will be solidified, or will gain more confidence in the strength of that green zone as support if the market gives us price action clues that tell us it's going to stay above it. So the close and open was our first clue. Second clue will be today close above it. So if we can get a full candle body above that green zone, that just increases our confidence all the more that it's going to stay above it and potentially head back to the yellow zone. If by the end of day today, or even the next day, but end of day today is back inside or under the green zone, it might tell us that the market's going to turn back around and go back down. So we've increased our confidence partly because of the close. Next will be the open and close here on the daily time frame. But that's a long time to wait. So what we can do is take that information down to the 4-hour time frame, begin using that same methodology, same strategy, that once we get above, we don't expect it to get back below. And that's what's happened today. We see it above that green zone today. So as long as it's above the green zone, I'm looking for buying opportunities, looking for it to go higher. Just think if you'd have had that mentality, that process of looking for opportunities, you actually could be in it from down here near the blue zone, because it got above the blue zone, stayed above the blue zone, never got back under the blue zone. So that's the process that we're using here. We're looking for the market to get above a zone. We don't expect it then to get back under the zone. We look for opportunities to buy above a zone, and we look for the challenge to the next zone, which is the yellow shaded area, 3270.85 for the USCAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.